Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the Audi Formula One show car with the lounge livery. And I know there's a very strong fan base for Formula One here in China. Motorsport was, is, and always will be in the DNA of Audi. So competing in F1 is the next logical step for us. It is the ideal platform for us to demonstrate technological leadership. We expect the most technically advanced solution for electric engines and for software in Formula One. And this new chapter for Vorsprung durch Technik is going to start in 2026. It's really great to be in China again. Nowhere on this planet the transformation to electric mobility is that far advanced. To deliver electric models from China to China, that is our common mission. For example, with the new Audi A6 e-tron Avant concept, that is the next generation of intelligent, connected cars made by Audi. We are deeply committed to China. Let's deep dive into the next generation of Audi cars and our premium ecosystem. Thank you.